the average of 4 different 3-digit whole numbers is 145. Find the value of the largest possible number. Now to do this, what we can do is to find the total of these numbers. Okay, so remember, total is just equals to the average multiplied by the number of items. In this case, there are 4 items, so 145 times 4. Let us see what that amounts to. 145 times 4, that would be 580. And to find the value of the largest possible number. Okay, let's say you have these 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're arranging from smallest to biggest. If you want this number here to be as large as possible, it means that these 3 numbers must be as small as possible. As small as possible, so that the last one can be as big as possible. Okay, so what are the 3 smallest 3-digit numbers that are different? We can have 100, we can have 101, we can have 102, which means that the largest one, the largest possible one, would be 580 minus the sum of these 3. So we can add them up together. 303. So 580 minus 303 to give us a final answer of 277.